Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, as promised, I'm gonna show you a recipe of the popular street food from Chengdu, Sichuan, sweetwater noodles. It's a super flavorful noodle dish with an interesting flavor profile. Speaking of noodles, let's start making these from scratch. They are relatively easy to make. Here I have 300 grams of flour, 150 grams of water. Add a pinch of salt to the flour and add the water. Mix the flour and water until a rough dough is formed. Cover and let rest for 5 minutes, and we can start to knead. As you are kneading the dough, push the dough away from you and then pull back. This is to lengthen the gluten so that it gives the noodle a nice bouncy texture. The dough should be medium firmness, not too soft. We knead until the surface is slightly smooth. Cover and rest. Ten minutes later, we can knead the second time until the surface is very smooth to the touch. Cover and rest for another 10 minutes and we are ready to make the noodles. Flatten the dough to an oblong rectangular shape, about 0.7 centimeters or a third inch. And we use a knife or dough cutter to cut it to the same width. Basically, they're just super thick noodles. As you separate them, you can stretch them out a little bit. Sprinkle dry flour on top as needed to avoid sticking together. So 300 grams of flour can make about 3 servings. It might seem to be a small portion, but a thick noodle is very fulfilling. It was invented for heavy labor workers to recharge during the day after all. You may chill or freeze the unused portion. Now onto the sauce of the noodles. You might have guessed correctly. The sweet water in sweetwater noodles refer to the aromatic sweet soy sauce we made last time. And in this recipe, it is the start component. So we have sweet soy sauce, chili oil, extra brown sugar, some sesame seeds, couple cloves of garlic, crushed peanuts, or like me, you can use crunchy peanut butter to give the sauce a thicker body. We don't need to pre-mix these, and we can add these on top of the cooked noodles when we finish. To cook the noodles, boil a pot of water and cook about 5 minutes. Adjust the heat so that the water won't boil over. Because the noodles are thick, it's important that they are cooked all the way. You can see the noodles puffed up a little bit when cooked. And you can take a bite if there's no white inside, it's well cooked. Strain the noodles into a bowl. As you can see, the noodles look like a thicker version of udon noodles. So if you don't want to make the noodles from scratch, you may use packet of udon noodles as well. The texture won't be as good. So while it's still hot, pour on the sweet soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, a couple tablespoons of the chili oil. The dish is supposed to be pretty spicy. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, sesame seeds, crush the garlic, and finally sprinkle some ground Sichuan peppercorn on top. And that's it, sweetwater noodle is done. It's burst with different flavors from the aromatic soy sauce and the chili. Some might find it weird to have a sweet noodle like a dessert, but it is what it's supposed to be. It's a street snack that can fill you up quickly in a hot day. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and definitely try it out. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more delicious videos. See you next time.